Did you know that some of the most gorgeous social media posts you see, the ones that get thousands of likes and share, are being created under 5 minutes using AI? And the people making them aren't professional designers, they're just regular people like you and me. You want to post consistently on social media, but creating content feels like such a huge task. You sit down to make a post and then suddenly it's been 2 hours. You have tried 15 different layouts, but nothing looks quite right. And you're thinking, why does everyone else's content look so professional while mine looks meh? You know you need to show up online, but the design part feels overwhelming and honestly kind of impossible. Well, I have done some research and I discovered an amazing game changer. This incredible tool uses AI to create absolutely stunning social media posts in minutes, not hours. And the people using it successfully aren't expert designs. They're small business owners, content creators, and regular people who just wanted their social media to look amazing without the stress and time commitment. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create professional looking social media posts using Venngage AI in under 5 minutes. And by the end of this video, you will know how to make posts that look like they came from a professional social media agency. You'll be able to create a whole week's worth of content in less time than it used to take you to make one post. So grab your phone or laptop, get comfy, and let me show you the first step that's going to completely transform your social media game. Okay, so the first thing that absolutely blew my mind about this process is how the AI actually creates content ideas and designs for you at the same time. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what to post about, Venngage AI asks you a super simple question like, what's your business about and what do you want to share today? Then it creates an idea with a gorgeous design already attached. We're talking about motivational quotes, with beautiful backgrounds, product showcase with perfect layouts, and even educational carousels posts that look totally professional. It's like having a social media manager and a graphic design roll into one. So here's exactly how to do it. And the first thing that you have to do to start with this is go to my description, and then from here you're just going to click in my link. Over here you can go ahead and sign up for your free account. Once you're in this section, what we have to do is just go to the section of Design AI. It's over here where we're going to start with the creation of our post. And to do this, we have different options. We have the audio, the graphic, the design, social media, document, proposals, charts, and HR. We're just going to be focusing on social media since we're going to be creating our Instagram post. So under this section, you can see that we have different options. We have YouTube banner, ad banner, Instagram post, LinkedIn, Facebook, and carousel. So depending on what you want to create, you just go ahead and select any of these options. So for me, I'm going to be trying with an Instagram post. And here's where the magic happens. Over here, you just have to go and describe your post and the AI will generate it for you. And to do this, there is actually 2 options. You can just go ahead and then add right away what you want your post to be like if you already have your content calendar. Otherwise, what I also like to do is just use the help of ChatGPT. So I'm just going to go create 60 posts on tips on how to be more productive. And then from there, I'm just going to click in create. So you can either already have your ideas and then just add them over here, or you can go and generate it with the help of ChatGPT. And over here, we already have our 60 productivity tips. Now, what I'm going to do is just transform them into prompts. And I'm going to do this also using ChatGPT. And to do this, I'm just going to go and now put them into prompts to generate a post for social media. And then I'm just going to go and also let it write it. You can do this right away when you generate your ideas. But for me, I first asked ChatGPT to generate my ideas. So in case that I want to change some options, I do it from here and then I just transform them into prompts. And then here we have our prompts. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to copy it. Now from here, we just got to go and paste it over here. And if you want to add something else or change something on here, you can do it as well. Once we already have our prompt, what I have to do is go and click in generate Instagram post. And over here, the AI already generated an option for us. Now here is where it gets even more amazing because this is where you can make each post totally unique to your brand without any design headaches. The AI doesn't just give you a template and leave you hanging. It actually helps you to customize everything to match your brand. And as you can see, we already got our option, but you can go ahead and click again in generate Instagram post and it will generate different options for you in case that you want to see more options. So now to custom our template, I'm just going to click in personalize. On this section, we can change the colors to match your brand with one click. And to do this, we're just going to click in brand kit. And then from here, you can click in complete your brand kit. If you already have your website page, you can go ahead and then just search it from here. And as you can see, it's going to appear. And then from there, the AI will take all your brand kit effortlessly. But in case that you don't, you can go and configure it manually. Now it's over here where you can go ahead and add your logos, your brand icons, your colors, brand images, and even your font sources. So you can go ahead, add them, and then you just click in add new brand kit. And you click in create. What we also have in this section is our color palette that we can explore. So if I don't really like this combination of colors, I can go ahead and then just try different ones from all of these options, which look absolutely gorgeous. I really like it. And if you keep clicking on the same one, you will get different combinations from the same colors. So I think for mine, I like it this one. This one looks very good, so I'm just going to keep it like that. And then we can move into my favorite section of this tool, which is the AI tools. And over here we have different options. I'm going to start with the first one, which is the fill content. This is a very useful feature that we can use to change a little or even a lot of our design without doing a lot of effort. And to do this, we're just going to go and click on it. And then over here, we can just go and add our prompt. For example, let's say that I don't really like this design. I want it to be more eye-catchy, more visually appealing, so people actually take a look at this. So I can go and then just add my prompt, make it more eye-catching, and then you can click in fill content. And now it already changed my design, so it's actually more visually appealing. So you can click in personalize and then it will stay like this. Now our next tool is the generate image, and it works exactly the same. We just add our prompt, we choose our style, and then we can go ahead and add it into our design. And to do this, I'm just going to be adding this prompt, a woman working on the computer, and I'm going to be choosing the cinematic style. And now we're just going to go and click in generate image. And here we already have few options that we can use. So I actually really like this one. So to add it into my design, I'm just going to click in my picture. I'm going to click in replace, and then I'm going to choose this image, and then I'm just going to add it over there. And you can even go and generate even more images if you want to. As you can see, it's super simple to use, and you don't really have to add so much detail or have so many complicated features that just confuse us. You just add your prompt, you select your style, and your image is done in a few seconds. Another great tool that I have never seen in any other tool is the generate icons. And this is a very interesting one because sometimes it's very hard to keep the same style for all of our icons that we want to add into our social media posts. So by creating them, we actually make sure that they stay in the same style, and we can choose which ones to create. So for mine, I think I'm going to be using the outline one, but as you can see, we have so many options. And now I'm just going to go and add the prompt for my icon. So for mine, I'm just going to be using a clock, and then I'm going to click in generate icons. And then from here, I can already go and choose one of these amazing options. So I really like it, this one, and we can click on it to add it into our design. So something like this, I think will work very well. And then I'm just going to go and add it over here. And you can keep doing this to generate the rest of your icons. Now here's the secret sauce that makes some posts to get tons of engagement while others get ignored. And the AI actually helps you understand these elements. And to do this, we're just going to be using the design feedback, one of my favorite features for the creation of our posters. What this feature does is that it gives us a feedback of our post. So we just click on it, and then over here it's going to analyze our post and give us some recommendations. And as we can see, we already got some observations. So for the first recommendation, it's something that I also noticed. The numbers 03 and 04 are not very visually appealing. So because we have the same kind of color on the number and in the background, it doesn't really stand out. So we can go ahead and make a change so it actually help us to stand out better our numbers. So I change it to white, and now you can read it much more easily. And I'm going to do the same for the number 4. And then we have the sequential flow of the steps. I think it would be easier if we just change the order of this because of the zigzag. It makes it a bit hard to understand them. So I'm just gonna go and then just change the order of these ones. And now I actually make the changes that the AI suggests. So I already changed the order of it. I also made the fonts bigger so it's easier to read. And I also changed the colors of these numbers so it stands out better. And now that we have the feedback of our design, we can also go ahead and improve the text. And to use this tool, we just gotta go and select the text that we want to improve. And over here, you can go ahead and ask the AI to write or improve your text, or we even have the shorten, making it more professional, or even correct spelling and grammar. So I really like that it has these many options that we can just click and then just make it shorter. So I'm just gonna go and click on that. And I think that this is a better title for my post. So I can click in replace section, and I'm also gonna make it bigger. And you can use this tool for any of your text sections. And once that I feel that I don't need to use more AI tools, you can also go ahead and keep customizing with the normal tools. So we can go ahead and change the color of the fonts. We can go ahead and change the font itself and use all the other options of our design tool. So we have templates, we have elements, we can insert a video, a GIF, QR code, checklist, a label, and even forms Over here we have more text in case that we want to. We also have shapes and lines that we can use in our post. A very useful section that we already have over here is also our icons section. In case that we want to add our social medias or specific icons that we need, we can just go ahead and then just grab it from here. Over here you can go ahead and also use images from the library of Venngage. So you just go to the section of image library and then you just search over here what you want. And we also have graphics and maps. And on this section, we can go ahead and even add some of our previous projects. And as you can see, this is so simple to generate. You just let the AI to generate your face. Then from that, you can make your changes. And then from that, you can get feedback so you can improve even more your designs. And you keep doing this with the 60 of your Instagram post and you will be done in less than 30 minutes. And here is a strategy that's going to transform your entire social media route. And it's something that most people never think to do. Instead of creating posts one by one every day, the smartest content creators use AI to batch and create a whole week of posts at once. They spend an hour creating between 30 and 60 posts and they schedule them out. This way they never struggle for content. Their feed stays consistent and they have so much more time for other things. Set aside an hour this week to create multiple posts at once. Use the AI to generate different post types, motivational quotes, tip, behind scenes, content, product features, and create variations using different color schemes and layouts. Then use a scheduling tool to post them through the week, and you will feel so organized and professional. Listen, I know that some of you might be thinking, but I'm not creative. What if my posts still don't get engagement? Every successful creator started with those exact same worries. The difference is they found out the right tools to help them succeed, and now you have that same opportunity. No complicated tutorials, no design school required, no expensive subscriptions to multiple tools, just simple step-by-step creation that anyone can master. Unlike hiring social media managers or buying expensive software, this is an affordable solution that you control completely. Plus, you can create unlimited content once you know how. Now if you're excited about creating stunning social media content, and honestly, who could not be, there is one more piece of the puzzle that will take your social media game to the next level. And this is know how to create your content calendar. I have put together a video where I show step by step how to do this. So if you want to check out that video, the link is on my description. The social media landscape is changing so fast, and the people who start using AI tools now are going to have such a huge advantage. Every day you wait, it's another day you could be building a gorgeous, engaging social media presence that actually achieve your goals. I'm so excited to see what gorgeous content you create. Drop a comment below and let me know what type of post you're most excited to make. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.